Hey guys, we are back, and you know what? It is so great to see your face. It is raining out, so today I decided we're going to talk about something that has been hanging in my office here for the last couple years. Now, I don't know about you guys, but the walls of my home are absolutely covered with photos. The problem that presents is that eventually you run out of wall space and have to start swapping out one image over another. But that's not a big deal. I mean, it's nice to have a little variety, right? But the downer is when you think about all the time it takes to hang the darn photos and then make sure that they're perfectly level. Besides, think of all the damage you can do to your walls by constantly hanging and removing, rearranging your prints all over the place. If only there was a way that you can get the same variety of photos without having to constantly swap out your frame prints. Oh wait, there is! It's called Meural, and I've had one in my office for the last 2 years. So technically this is more like a long overdue 2-year review instead of a 3-minute review. But hey, let's start the timer anyway and get started. So let's start off, what the heck is a mural? Meural is a digital canvas, guys, that allows you to upload your own photos. It then rotates through all your photos so you can see an unlimited array of all your images. You can even create playlists, so if you want to see only photos of your adorable son, you can do that. If you want to see only landscape photos, you can create a playlist or landscape playlist for that. You get the idea. Better yet, you can send your photos to Meural Canvas instantly so you don't have to wait around to bring your favorite photos to life. Meural has what is called a true art technology, which renders the images in a way that makes them seem ultra lifelike. In fact, the first time that I saw a Meural Canvas was at PhotoPlus a few years ago. I was convinced, guys, that the painting I was looking at was indeed a painting. The detail was so incredible that I felt I could reach out and touch the texture of the brush strokes. That's how real it was, guys. Needless to say, I was super impressed with the quality of this digital canvas. You can hang the canvas vertically or horizontally. It will rotate through the photos or videos as well. Now, when viewing a canvas directly in front, you get a beautiful, guys, beautiful colors and brightness. The colors and brightness are very good as you angle towards the side as well, but obviously not as impeccable as when you're directly in front of it. And I keep pointing up because it's right over here, guys. The canvas itself really does look like a real framed photo. Unlike other active picture frames, it doesn't look like a monitor or a TV. So that's what a mural is, but how has it performed over the years? So what I like, but first I do need to clarify, Meural did send this to me 2 years ago, guys, which I did a review on it at that time. However, this review is not sponsored by Meural, nor do they even know that I'm doing a 2-year follow-up review. So over the last 2 years, I've found all sorts of things that I really like about this. I can quickly upload my own photos either from my computer or from my phone. Guys, this company has a massive library of art, so if you ever want to change the pace of seeing your own photos, you have a huge library that you can actually pick and select things from there as well. It automatically turns on when the lights go on in the room, and it automatically shuts off when you turn the lights off. The colors are incredibly vibrant even after daily use. After the last 2 years, the colors look still extremely vibrant. Here's what I don't like. There's also a few nitpicky things that I don't like as much about Meural. The hand control has been unimpressive. You're supposed to be able to wave your hands in front of this thing and it's gonna flip through the photos, and it kind of has a mind of its own. It's tough to get it to work right, which is kind of a bummer because I would really like to feel like Obi-Wan Kenobi waving my hands as the Force changes the photos. Wah, bah, 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 bah. Yeah, not really happening, but it's not a huge buzzkill because, as I mentioned earlier, you can change the photos quite easily from the computer or from your tablet, so it's not a big deal. Also, it's 1080, which isn't bad. It actually looks really good, but it would be cool to see it at 4K. Also, the price 2 years ago was over $600. Fortunately, the price has come down well below $500. Actually, at the time of this recording, you can pick up one of these over at Adorama for the mid 400 level, which is yes, my opinion, it is an absolute steal for one of these things. So the moment of truth, would I recommend this to others? You know, after having it for 2 years, I have to say that I've been really impressed with this Meural canvas. Is it perfect? No. It's a bummer that the display is only 1080, and as somebody that hates to see cords, the cord hanging down from the bottom of this thing is a tough pill to swallow. However, the image quality is fine unless you really get up close. I mean really close. And you can always put a plant in front of the chair to hide that wire anyways. Price has come down too, and that is a definite bonus. Sure, the hand gestures aren't all that, but I love the app and the instant sharing capabilities and the incredible detail that the monitor does provide to my photos. It's an ideal solution for people like me that has tons of photos and nowhere to hang them. And with the holidays coming, it's a great gift for yourself or somebody on your list that has a lot of photos to display. So yeah, Meural's awesome. Well, there you go, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, hit the like button down below. If you're currently not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And then, of course, hit the bell to be notified as we come out with new videos. So with that said, my friend, have an amazing day and get out there and take your best shot.